Hey, Sieve and Charnelle, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make these beautiful banana breads. One that's going to be topped with chocolate chips and the other one is going to be topped with crystal sugar. Let's get started. For ingredients, you are going to need sugar, chocolate powder, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, eggs, oil, salt, vanilla extract, chocolate, and of course, the star of the show, banana. Optional, we are going to be adding some sour cream into our banana bread. This is optional. It gives a very beautiful texture and taste to the banana bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees while you mix the ingredients. We're going to start by adding our dry ingredient, 3 cups of flour. You can check the description below to get all the ingredients measurements. This is actually wheat flour. You can use regular all-purpose flour. This is also going to help us with the color of the chocolate. With this, you don't have to put too much of the cocoa butter, the cocoa. 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon. 1, 2 baking soda, chocolate powder, salt. You know you always have to add salt when you bake. When you use sugar, you always have to add salt. We are going to add some cinnamon. You're going to mix all of that together, as you can see. Okay, we're going to set that aside and work on our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, you are going to mash your banana. Now, if you like your banana to be very smooth, you can go ahead and blend it. I don't like mine to be very smooth. I like mine to be to have some banana inside, so I'm just going to like press mine. You can use like a fork to do that also. We're going to mash that and then add all our other wet ingredients. Add in your oil, vanilla extra, I love vanilla, so I like to add more. We're gonna drop in our egg. Oh my god, don't do that. You don't want to overwork your batter once you have already added your egg. Time to add, last but not least, your sour cream. Sour cream. I'm just gonna crack my chocolate. I'm gonna crack this much, about that much. Just gonna crack it. It doesn't have to be perfect, except you buy chocolate chips, because I didn't want to use chocolate chips. I like to add mine into the powder first. Just like that. So the dry ingredients pretty much. I have it in there. It's time to add my wet ingredients and we're ready to bake. Just drop that in. So you're just gonna fold this, you don't want to overturn it, and it's ready. You're gonna prepare your baking pan with some oil and the baking sheet. If you have a baking sheet, if not, it's fine with just the oil. spray some oil or butter, and you'll be good to go. I'm going to spray my, oh boy, I don't like the way this is spraying. I want to spray my 2. So once that's done, I'm going to add in some parchment paper. This is optional, you don't have to. Pour in your mixture equally all the way. It seems like it's pretty equal, it's pretty even. Drop in some chocolate chips. The other one I'm gonna drop it, chop those chips, but I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. Just a few of these sugar crystals on this one. A little bit of the crystal up there. Beautiful. Pop them in the oven and bake them between 50 minutes to an hour, or until you put in a Q-tip and it comes out clean. I am going to review this beautiful item that was sent to me by Out of Air company. I just opened this one. I actually have not removed everything yet, but it's a lot of items that need to be checked. So Out of Air reached out to me and they wanted me to try the vacuum seal machine, and it has a few items. Actually, I thought this was like 3 different things with this. I got 3 boxes. This item also actually came out of this box, and then this item came out of this other box. So, and I'm going to tell you what I received. Okay. So the machine itself. The machine itself is here. I actually opened this and just like this, just to pick through. So here is the machine. It's Out of Air food saver. So pretty much they sent me this and other items. I have the vacuum sealer back rolls, 2 of each. So this is the 8 by 25 inches. I have the 11 by 100 foot, 11 inches vacuum sealer roll. So I have that. I have 50 zipper vacuum sealer bags as well. I also have 8 inches, 100 feet vacuum sealer roll. And not to, well, to end up, I have 100 vacuum sealer bags, 6 by 10 inches. This one is 11 inches, 8 feet of this. So, oh, and also, I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, this is just the manual. It's beautiful white and gray, or white and silver. I would say white and gray vacuum. You have dry and moist. And then I think this is the Q code to kind of like see, scan for quick start guide. So this is going to give you instructions on how to use it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it on my own, and I'll tell you what my experience is. I bought this pack of meats and we're going to seal this. I think I can seal this in a 8 by 25. Ooh, comes with the cutter. Before you do anything, if you're going to touch any food product, make sure you wash your hands. Here's what you receive. You have a 3-page document. It's in French, English, and Spanish. I'm going to wash my hand. So it has cuts where you can literally cut. I love it. It cuts pretty well. Put this. Both sides are actually open, so one side I'm going to seal, and then the other side I'm going to vacuum before I seal. That's the plan. So put it in the trash. Wash your hands. Okay, so I wash my hand. I'm going to just wipe the corners here because there's a little bit of blood from the meat. I'm going to seal. Let me try this first before. I should just check the manual because it's not. It's sealed. Okay, the bottom is sealed. Let's try vacuuming out the air. So let's see. I'll let it seal and see how long it will take. Oh. Wait. This is seal. I said vacuum. It stopped. Let's see. I wanted it to vacuum, but it vacuumed and it's sealed. Here's my meat. Thank you so much, Out of Air Food Saver, for sending me this product. I'm for sure going to use this because look at that. I just sealed my very first meat ever. I've never had this type of machine before, so I'm definitely going to be using this. Make sure to click the description below to check out their website and also see what else they have. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending me this product. I just can't believe I sealed the product. Like, that's amazing. And I forgot to say, the manual also had a few bags that are actually different sizes, but they actually have already sealed one side. I should have used that, but I didn't see it. By the time I saw it, I had already cut this one, so I just used that one. I hope it's easier to work with because I kind of struggled a little bit to figure out how it worked because it's not really closing as I was expecting it to actually just close. It's not, but it works. Here are our final products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you have not yet done so. Click that thumb up. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye.